Hello, dear parents. It is so nice to have you here with us today. I want to talk about something we all deal with every single day: time. And more importantly, how we can help our kids learn to manage it better. Time management is essential for both kids and adults to stay organized, prioritize tasks, and make the most of their day. So, why is time management so important for our children? Because when kids know how to manage their time, everything becomes easier. Homework, play, rest, even helping around the house. It helps them feel more confident and less stressed. And guess what? They actually get more free time when they learn how to plan their day. So, how can we help? Honestly, it starts at home. Our kids watch everything we do. If we rush around, they feel that stress too. But when we plan the following routines, they learn to do the same. Here are some small things that go a long way. Talk to them about what needs to be done each day. Use a simple routine chart or planner at home. Encourage them to finish one thing before starting another. Celebrate small wins. Let me share a few things that really works at home. Use timers. Kids love to race the clock. Visual schedules. Pictures or drawings help younger kids remember. Praise. A simple well done can go a long way. Keep it light. Don't pack the day. Leave time for rest and play. And it's okay if they mess up once in a while. We all do. What matters is that we help them learn from their mistakes. Yes, there will be challenges, distractions, delay, or even refusal to follow a routine. These are normal. When that happens, instead of scolding, let's try asking them in a different way. Maybe we can talk to them politely and say, "What's one thing that you want to finish before dinner?" Or, "Let's see how fast you can tidy your toys." Make it fun. Give them a feeling that you're always there to guide, not to stress them more. When kids learn how to manage their time, we'll see changes in them, like less arguing and rushing. They have a better focus on schoolwork. They have more time for hobbies and family. And they are more calm and balanced in handling situations. These are not just school skills, they are life skills too. So parents, let's not aim for perfection. Let's just begin. Even one small change, like setting a bedtime or homework time, can bring a big difference over time. Let's guide our children step by step with love and consistency. Thank you so much for being here, and thank you for your love, care, and time you invest in your children. Together, we are raising time-starved kids, one day at a time.